In this video, I'm going to show you how to add pauses to a voiceover in ElevenLabs step by step so you can make your narration sound more natural, more polished, and much easier to follow. Whether you want a tiny pause between phrases, a longer dramatic pause, or a more conversational delivery, ElevenLabs gives you a few simple ways to do it depending on which model you're using. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're inside, open either text-to-speech or studio, depending on the type of voiceover you want to create. From there, paste or type in your script as usual. This is where the pause controls come in, and the method you use will depend on the voice model you've selected. If you are using any ElevenLabs model except 11v3 and you want an exact pause, you can add an SSML break tag directly into your script exactly where you want the pause to happen. For example, you would type a break tag like this. That tells ElevenLabs to pause for 1.5 seconds at that point in the narration. It's a great way to control timing very precisely, especially if you're recording tutorials, presentations, or storytelling content. You can also set pauses of up to 3 seconds, so if you need a longer gap, just adjust the time value accordingly as long as it stays within that limit. This is especially useful when you want to separate ideas clearly, give the listener a moment to think, or make certain words or phrases stand out. Now, if you're using 11v3, the process is a little different because that model does not support SSML break tags. Instead, you'll want to use ellipses, which look like 3 dots, to create a natural pause. For example, if you want the voice to slow down slightly, you can write something like this, wait, and then continue your sentence. You can also use audio tags such as pause, short pause, or long pause, but these need to be written inside square brackets since V3 works differently from the other models. For short, natural pauses, you can also use dashes instead of break tags. A single dash or an EM dash can help create a slight break in the flow, which is really helpful when you want the voiceover to sound more human and less robotic. This works especially well for conversational scripts, list-style narration, and content where you want the pacing to feel smooth and intentional. The best way to think about it is this. Use SSML break tags for exact timing on supported models. Use ellipses or pause tags for 11v3, and use dashes when you want a quick, natural-sounding break. Once you understand those options, you can control the rhythm of your voiceover much more effectively. So here's a quick recap. Sign into ElevenLabs, open text-to-speech or studio, enter your script, and then choose the pause method that matches your model. Use for exact pauses on supported models, and use ellipses or square bracket pause tags if you're on 11v3. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference in how professional your voiceovers sound. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more ElevenLabs tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.